To join pipes, this professional proved he knew what he was doing, or at least looked like it. Instead of using connectors, like any sane person would, he decided to innovate. After all, who needs proper fittings when you've got confidence and stubbornness? With a twist here, a push there, and pure determination, he did the impossible. Joined two pipes without a single connector. None at all. It's the kind of idea that defies logic, reason, and every plumber's manual ever written. But hey, it worked. And in the end, that's all that really matters.